A-shaped sealing carrier is a type of connection used in clip-in sealing systems to connect various sealing panels. Next, I will introduce the production process of the A-shaped sealing carrier and the features of the A-shaped sealing carrier roll forming machine. The production steps of the A-shaped sealing carrier roll forming machine are relatively simple: decoiling, forming, and shearing. The A-shaped sealing carrier roll forming machine uses passive decoiling, which is suitable for commonly used lightweight, thin galvanized coils. The forming machine adopts an integrated frame structure, producing single specification products under predetermined programs. It is very easy to operate, user-friendly, and convenient to maintain. Additionally, production length can be set via the control panel, allowing for production according to specific requirements. The cutting method is following shearing, suitable for cutting longer products. In addition to providing A-shaped sealing carrier roll forming machine, Kegriel also offers spring T-roll forming machines and other clip-in sealing carrier machine solutions. We can customize different clip-in sealing carrier roll forming machines. Welcome to choose Kegriel.